Hey, James Bill here, and welcome to my channel. This is your first time, please go ahead and hit that red button below and subscribe to my channel, where I'm going to be creating more videos like this to educate, inform, and motivate you, showing you ways to make money online and how to grow a passive income, guys. Today I'm going to basically be just sharing my journey with you, my entrepreneur journey with you. I started out 2 years ago. I'm also a musician, and I was working as an engineer for the Marriott Hotel, and I got fired from that job. There's no need in going into details, but I did. And it was a kind of a bittersweet moment, guys. But long story short, I followed my dream as an entrepreneur. And it's been an interesting journey, to say the least. You're gonna have your challenges. Let me tell you that now. You will have your challenges. But the true test of an entrepreneur is your staying power. You know, when you stop and give up and quit, or will you continue to go through those roadblocks, and challenges and become successful? And that's the key, that staying power. You have to hang in there, guys. Anyways, like I said, I started out on here looking for an extra income online. I'm thinking, if I could just get on there, find something to sell, just sell it to somebody and make some money. But as I found out in my journey, you don't just sell stuff to people and make money. It doesn't work like that. That's why you need to get with a proven system that has the tools and trainings that's going to educate you and help you to evolve. I went from just wanting to sell something to now providing value and helping other people with their problems and helping them solve their problems and solutions. And when I first heard of this concept, guys, I was like, well, why are you talking about all this mindset stuff? What is your why? Why are you doing this here? And who are you going to help? What problems you're going to solve? I didn't quite understand that. But my mentor, in the trainings, and started doing self-development and educating myself. And long story short, here I am today. I was fortunate to have a 5-figure month. And I'm steady growing, guys, but I just wanted to share this story with you guys, and hopefully that is someone out there that this is going to help, because I did a Facebook post today talking about stop chasing the money and start chasing the value. Because you see, once you become valuable to the marketplace is gonna basically chase you, come after you for your value, your information. So that's why you have to read your books, do self-development audios, trainings. If there's someone that's out there doing what you like, or you like to be where they are, you want that success, follow that person around on social media. They have a course or something, go ahead and purchase that course. This is how you become successful. You have to invest in yourself, your time, your money, and be consistent. And it'll work out for you. It will work out for you. Again, my name is James Bill, and I just want to share that with you guys. I'm going to be coming back with some more videos, and I just hope you come along for the ride with me, because I'm going to be letting it all out and being transparent with you as possible, guys. So please be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell selection notification so you will be notified the next time I create a video. In the meantime, in between time, God bless, and I'll see you on the next video.